Did you know that the most famous rule in Islamic finance is the ban on usury? In economic terms, this means lender and borrowers are forbidden from charging or paying interest or riba, meaning Sharia-compliant banks don't issue interest-based loans. Hello and welcome to Islamic Finance Weekly. I am Rahma Say Muhammad. It is the end of the month, and as always, let us recap some key developments and stories shaping the Islamic finance industry for November 2024. We commence with the story that Noor Asset Management Limited listed two mutual funds at the Nigerian exchange earlier this month. The listing of Noor Islamic Fund and Turbo Fixed Income Fund on the main board of NGX allows investors to trade on the funds. Acting Managing Director of Noor Asset Management Limited, Pabina Yinkere, said the listing by way of a memorandum underscores the company's efforts to broaden financial accessibility and inclusion. He said the Noor Islamic and Turbo funds signified an increasing demand for ethical and diversified investments. According to him, our consistent track record has resulted in over 11.7 billion naira in capital repayments and 5.2 billion naira in investment income distributed to clients in the past 3 years. He outlined that the funds cater to fixed income and Sharia-compliant investment preferences, aligning with Noor mission to providing varying products across all asset classes. The National Insurance Commission said that conventional financial systems fall short of addressing individuals' and communities' multifaceted risks, hence the need for the Islamic finance option. The Commission revealed this at the second edition of the African Takaful and Non-Interest Finance Conference, which was themed Islamic Finance and Takaful, Building Resilience in a Volatile World, held in Lagos. The regulator said that as countries continue to navigate an era marked by economic volatility, environmental challenges, and social disruption, innovative solutions are needed to expand the African market. The Commissioner for Insurance, Olusegun Omoseyin, who was represented by the Deputy Commissioner, Technical, Dr. Usman Jankara, said that while conventional financial systems often fall short in addressing the multifaceted risks faced, Islamic finance offers a unique perspective rooted in ethical principles and social responsibility. According to him, Islamic finance is not merely a set of financial products, but a comprehensive system promoting fairness, transparency, and risk sharing across the market. The National Information Technology Development Agency, through its Director General, Dr. Kashifu, engaged the Board of Directors of Jaiz Bank in governing cybersecurity risks. The session focused on the board's critical role in cybersecurity governance, risk management, resource allocation, and preparedness to counter cyber attacks in the financial sector. He highlighted the government's commitment to protecting digital assets through the National Cybersecurity Architecture, which is under the supervision of the National Security Advisor's Office. Quoting Warren Buffett, Inu urged the board, "It takes 20 years to build a reputation and only a few minutes of cyber incidents to ruin it." He challenged them to prioritize cybersecurity in safeguarding customer data and assets. Islamic Finance Weekly will go on a break, and when we return, we'll bring you more updates. Welcome back. Here is the Fact Box segment. According to iMark Group, the global Takaful market size reached $36.6 billion in 2024. Looking forward, the market is expected to reach $75.3 billion by 2033, exhibiting a growth rate of 8.28% during 2025 to 2033. Now to our next story. Composite Takaful insurance firm in the month launched a health maintenance organization, Noor Health, to provide access to reliable, quality, and affordable health care. The company also unveiled its digital solution, Raha by Noor, to improve efficiency and create ease and convenience for participants. The solution and platform were unveiled during the second African Takaful and Non-Interest Finance Conference in Lagos. Founding chair of Noor Group, Shoaib Ahmed, described the launch as a leap in the company's collective vision for a healthier and more financially inclusive Nigeria. Ahmed noted that the expansion of Noor Takaful, which incorporates comprehensive health solutions and digital accessibility, offers hope and pride. He said Noor Health has been designed with a mission to enhance individuals' and families' access to healthcare by providing a safety net. According to him, Noor Health and Raha by Noor represent the company's commitment to innovation and impact. He described Raha by Noor as a modern, accessible, and efficient approach envisioned for participants to engage with the company in management of policies by accessing those services from the convenience of their devices. Africa Finance Corporation expects to tap the Islamic finance market for the first time in almost a decade by the end of the year. This is part of efforts to cash in on growing interest from Gulf nations to fund and develop infrastructure projects on the continent. The development finance institution in the market for a $300 million Murabaha facility that complies with standards set by the Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic Financial Institutions, the firm said in an emailed response to questions. First Abu Dhabi Bank is the global coordinator on the deal, and the AFC is working with other lenders including Emirates, MBD Capital, and SMBC. The entity last sold Islamic bonds in 2017. Founded in 2007 and headquartered in Nigeria, the AFC is owned by African governments, banks, and private equity funds. It serves as an alternative to the African Development Bank in providing financing for the continent's infrastructure needs and has disbursed $13 billion for the project across 36 countries in the region. The AFC will continue to deepen collaboration in the region through its equity shareholder, the Arab Bank for Economic Development in Africa, he said. The Vice President Finance of the Islamic Development Bank, Dr. Zamir Iqbal, addressed a high-level session on climate finance and fragility, focusing on solutions for building resilience in fragile contexts. Dr. Iqbal emphasized the need for tailored financing solutions for the 32 of 57 ISDB member countries classified as fragile. Leveraging green sukuk and Islamic finance for innovative climate finance, particularly for adaptation and building institutional and local capacity to drive sustainable peace and development. He said ISDB remains committed to empowering fragile states to overcome development and climate challenges to achieve resilience. The bank is guided by 5 pillars: fostering partnerships, enhancing economies, advancing innovation, promoting sustainable finance, and encouraging collaboration. And that will be all on Islamic Finance Weekly today. And I would say, don't forget to keep it up to us next week on the program. Follow us on all of our social media platforms displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching, and as always, I am Rahma Say Muhammad.